But seriously, welcome back, guys. It's been a month and some. It's been some time. Yeah, and as you who have been following, my loyal subscribers who've been following, watching every video, thank you. I appreciate you. Yes. And as you know, I have been going through the freeform, you know, journey, experience, and all that. It's been a year. And if you see me adjust, I'm sitting on my son's chair because I'm too lazy to go dig up for my own. So I'm on this little itty bitty kitty chair. So, yes, like I was saying, I've been contemplating whether I should retwist or not for a while now. I didn't say anything to you guys because, I still love the freeform journey, but it's getting a bit difficult for me to maintain, or I wouldn't even say maintain. Yes, maintain, because let me keep it frank. Because I don't want my locks to come together. I am constantly having to separate. And my locks, my hair is crazy because they really are trying to become one. And I'm down to like separating weekly at this point. And I'm like, oh my God, this is too much. This is way more than I wanted to even, go through or experience or do, to be my hair every week now. But I find that when I did skip a week of separating, I was tearing hairs because wearing this very slack ponytail, I would wear my hair like, even if I have my headband on to work, and I wear my hair like that for a week. And within that week, things are starting to, yeah, so I think I'm going to go back to my yearly, twice yearly, once yearly retwist, that semi-freeform lifestyle. I don't think the freeform is for me at this stage. Let me clarify. Like, that I started out with freeform locks would have been completely different, but that transition is not easy at all. It's people say it's a journey, but it is a journey. It is. I don't know. And one of the things that one of my friends told me was, you can't worry about the internet, and I realized that people do, get judged pretty harshly on the internet. Like, if someone has locks, just an example, a lock style, particular way they do something, the minute they cut their locks or change their mind or loose it out, and people just be like, oh, the comments, you're confused, you don't know what you want to do, and all of that. And I'm like, yeah, I'm human. I am trying things and I'm recording trying them. It's like when you become a certain, person to others and you do something otherwise or go contrary, they want to be pissed at you, like you broke some kind of fucking rule, like, okay. And I'm like, why don't we allow people to be people? People can change their minds. Not because this person is on YouTube and you follow them, that they have to live by this thing that they decided they wanted to do or try for the rest of their lives. So I'm just here to say, hey, fuck it. Whoever don't like it, don't like it. I mean, it sound like a bitch, but yeah, man. Like, I know what I go through on a daily basis, as far as fixing, as far as the headaches I've been having. Like I said, I think it's because I started off you know, and then trying to, every time I try to put my hair in, it just, no, I can't keep a style. I always end up loosening it out because it is too tight on my roots. So I am kind of over it at this point. I am not now. Now. Like I will say again, don't get me wrong, I will not be twisting often. Because before I started a year plus before I started the semi-freeform where I wasn't retwisting or maintaining anything, my roots grew. So it's not gonna be much of a difference from what you see now then. At least I don't know. So my biggest choice at this point is whether I am going to fully retwist, do a light twist, or crochet. Now with the crochet method, there will be no spinning, no spiral. I will just crochet, use the crochet needle and crochet all of this hair down to, see what I mean? Crochet all of this down to, like, you know, the size that I want. I'm thinking about that because I don't know. So I'm recording, I'm about to wash my hair, and I still don't know which form of maintenance I'm going to execute. There's something in my eye. Whether it's going to be full retwist, a light retwist, a crochet. So we'll see.
Public service announcement, folks. My light has blown. I'm gonna have to order another very expensive bulb. So yeah, the quality is not great. So I'm just gonna show you this one little snippet of me lightly retwisting, just lightly. I don't want to do anything tight, too neat or sleek, because I am thinking of my, birthday coming up. But anyway, that's another story for another day. Here I am lightly retwisting. Like I say, I am so annoyed because
Alright, my people, the deed is done. I did not go in depth and showed you start to finish because I was basically dying here trying to get these shits in place. But anyway, the deed is done. Those clips had my brain melting, so I just put my hair into sections, take out the clips, keep the retwist, put them in sections, and set back underneath the dryer because I ain't gonna lie, your girl couldn't deal. And like I said, this is a light retwist. This is nothing heavy. As you can look at the roots properly and see that they aren't really, neat and sleek. And knowing my hair, it's gonna be about a week before I'm back to full poofiness. So I feel better. It feels great having breeze on my scalp again. I missed retwisting my hair. Even if it was just once a year, I missed doing it because it's so, figurating. These are my little twines for the front. I didn't bother to put any clips in them, just twine them up, But yeah, here we are. Here it is. Don't know what the next step will be going forward. Like I say, I will be continually not retwisting often. My face looks crazy. I will be doing my, semi-freeform and all of that. I don't really have nothing much to end on except for that. Pictures, I'll show some pictures afterwards when I all cute and hair's all down. So wait for that. Anyway, love you. See you guys later. Bye.